You ever feel like you've lost your edge? Like your drive, your confidence, your masculine fire just faded over time? It's not gone. It's just buried under weak habits and modern comfort. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful habits that can help you rebuild your masculine energy and raise your natural testosterone. 1. Wake up and move. The first thing most men do in the morning is grab their phone and scroll. That's a weak start. Instead, hit the floor. Do push-ups, stretch, go for a run, anything that wakes your body up. You're sending your brain a signal. I'm alive and I'm ready to move. Testosterone rises when your body experiences physical activation, especially in the morning. It doesn't have to be long. Even 10 minutes will shift your energy completely. Second, cold exposure. Cold showers, ice baths, or just finishing your regular shower on cold. When that freezing water hits you, your mind screams to escape. That's exactly the moment your masculine energy grows, because you're choosing control over comfort. Cold exposure increases dopamine and helps regulate testosterone naturally. It teaches your brain to stay calm under pressure, a skill every strong man needs. 3. Heavy lifting and sunlight. This combination is a natural testosterone booster. Lifting weights or doing resistance training 3 to 4 times a week tells your body, I need to be strong. Add 20 minutes of sunlight daily. You'll improve vitamin D levels, which directly impact testosterone. 4th, purpose and challenge. Masculine energy dies when a man has no direction. Wake up knowing what you're building, even if it's small. A new skill, a business, your fitness, your discipline. Challenge creates growth, and growth fuels testosterone. 5. Rest and nutrition. You can't build masculine energy if you're sleeping 4 hours and living on caffeine. Eat real food. Eggs, steak, salmon, nuts, olive oil, greens. Drink water. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Masculine energy isn't something you're born with. It's something you build, day by day, through discipline, focus, and struggle. These 5 habits will help you bring it back. Stronger, sharper, and calmer than before. If you're ready to unlock your full potential as a man, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Now go build yourself.